People, welcome to Mr. Benny channel. You don't know how to ask me the funny channel again. Work never end for me, guys. You know what I mean? Yeah, so today we're gonna look on here we are doing it. We are doing 50-50. Today I'm gonna look at 5 questions. I'm gonna work 5 of them. And then you guys are going to work the other remaining 5. Leave it in the comment section. For my personal students that I tutor, this would be an assignment. So yeah, you know the ship's already. You guys can give me to mark and we can discuss it and so forth. Yeah, I mean I'm a hard worker, so forgive me people for working so hard during the holiday. Alright, so these are actually algebra questions and they are past papers. So this indicates that it was done January 1992. This was January 1991. This was January 93. June 02. Alright, so let us examine whatever we have. So it says solve the following equations. Again, guys, you can go ahead and try to solve them without before me. All right, so I'm giving you guys some time to go ahead, get a pen, get a pencil, get a paper, get a calculator, because of course this is paper 2, so you can go ahead and do it. All right, guys, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. No lazy people on my channel, you know. What I deal with, man? When I watch views now, just I watch who I learn. All right, so I want people to learn. Yeah, education too expensive. My friend, I say, me not to say education free, but I mean, if it's so essential to everyone, why isn't it free? Ask ourselves that question. Why education is not free? Certain things where we're not sure about, it them say it's free. It to me I say, this important according to the laws of the land and something. So why this now push? Why this now get the push? Alright, so let's go. So this one says 5x minus 1 is equal to 8x plus 1. So I could solve for this now. This one now, guys, we actually have to group them. So we have to group the like terms. So we're going to bring over this 8x to match with this 5x. So it's going to do it over here. So it's 5x. We're going to subtract 8x from this side. So it's minus 8x. And then this is equal to plus 1. This was a plus 1. This was a minus 1, so it's going to become plus 1. So here we have it, group the like terms. This is 1 rather. So 5x minus that will give us negative 3x. And 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. I was actually thinking it before I actually did it. So now we want to get x by itself, so we can divide by negative 3. And just put the negative right there, alright? So it's negative 2/3. So therefore x is equal to negative 2/3. Alright, let us look at this one now. This one says, and this was done June 91. We're gonna say January. January is a receipt, and I'll be doing receipt classes. Alright, guys. So we're just gonna expand the bracket by multiplying by 3. So first we're gonna have 3 times x and then 3 times negative 2. Remember, a negative times a positive gives us negative. So we just do that. So 3 times x is 3x. Again, guys, 3 times 2 will give us negative 6. Again, guys, you're supposed to try it, alright? And that is equal to 15. Get rid of this negative 6 because we want to get all the natural numbers by themselves. So we add 6 to this side. It's an equation. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the next side. So that will 3x. That's 15 plus 6. 6 and 5, 11, so that's 21. And then we can divide by 3. So x is equal to 7. And guys, these are very simple. But according to csec, only 30% of students get maximum marks when it comes to algebra. So people are messing up algebra. We don't want that this year or next year in csec. Alright? So I have to change that. This one is similar to this one, same principle. So we're not gonna go the long route, we're just gonna multiply. 5 times x is 5x. 5, 6, 30. Once you understand the principle, it remains the same. Only the numbers changing. There's nothing to fear in maths. If there's something to fear in maths, put it in the comment section. So it's 5x. So we're gonna subtract 30 from this side. So it's gonna be 20 minus 30. Just imagine that. If you have $20, how can you give somebody 30? Talk about $10, no? It's minus 10. And then now we can divide by 5. I will do to one side, so I want to get x by itself. I will do to one side, we do to both sides. So x is equal to negative 2. So the value of x is negative 2. Who got that? Remember guys, just try the questions. The 4. So I want you guys to try number 4 and see how it goes, alright? Try number 4 and see how it goes. What would you do? Alright, this is how Mr. Bennett would do. This one, number 5 is similar to the others, but this one is a bit unique. So let us create a bag of space for that one here. I want to show all the steps. There are more than one way you can do it, but I think this way is the simplest way. We're going to just expand the bracket first. So 2 times x, that will give us 2x. 2 times 1, that will give us negative 2. And we're left with, you could convert this to 2 into 5 goes 2 times and a half. But we're not going to do that. We're going to do it with a fraction, alright? But if I do that, I see something again, alright? But let me just do it the hard way. And some students will probably just do it the hard way. I'll put it as a fraction. So let's put this over 1. And then now we can say cross multiply, or we can just say we can do it two. There's so many ways we can do it. We could just find the LCM of 1 and 2 and say it's 2. 1 into 2 goes 2 times, so we expand this by 2. Or we can just cross multiply and say 2 times all of this equal to all of this. So we could do it that way. So it's you make an x. So 2 times 2x. As I said, this is very simple. It's not very hard. And then 5 times 1. So expand the bracket now. 2 times that will give us 4x. 2 times negative 2 will give us negative 4. And that would equal to 5. Again, guys, this is the hardest way that I choose. Alright? But I've done it a long time. Alright, so we get rid of this 4 by adding 4. What we do to one side, we do to both sides. So we add 4 here. So this is gonna give us 4x is equal to 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. And then we can divide by 4. So 4 into 9 now, get x by itself. 4 into 9 goes 2 times and leave 1 over 4. If you like decimal, what's a quarter written as a decimal? Correct. 2.25. So either way, we're good. Could be any one of these, alright? Alright, as I was saying, let's go back up to the question and see. It's very simple. We could have converted the 5 over 2 to 2.5, right? Right here. So we will get 2x minus 2 equals 2.5. And then we just add the 2 to that side and we get 4.5, and then we just divide it by 2. Let me just show it over here. Because I know some smart kid is saying, hey, I'm a bit wrong, hey, blah, 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 blah. I don't know what to these math features, you know. Alright, so I'm going to do it that way. 2x minus 2. I will convert the 5 over 2 to 2.5 or 2.5. I could have used 2.5. The easiest, alright. And then now we just add 2 to this because we want to get rid of the 2 from negative 2 from the side here. So it will be 2.25 plus 2. Right, you see me thinking it for me, right? That's when I was young, my teacher said to me, you know, your brain works faster than how you write. That's why you give me so much foolishness. Ah, boy, from that day, it changed my life. You know, she said, slow down, all right, and then we can divide by 2. So x by itself now. Therefore, x is equal to, and we see we get the 2. Hold on. What was the answer again? Oh, something right here. This was supposed to be 2.5. My bad, because me I say, oh, the answer now. I'm sure. A half. Something something, man. So this should be a half. 2.5 rather. So this. My apologies, guys. My apologies. It's a bit human, and then we divide by 2 to get 2.2. As I was wondering, oh, I'm gonna get back to 1/4. So we could have done it that way also. Alright. Alright, so tell you what now, guys, change your plan. You guys are gonna do from number 5, you're gonna do number 5, number 6 right there. You guys have to try on number 7, number 8. I'm looking if they are different. Number 9. Yeah, can stop at number 9. Alright. So leave this in the comment section. I think I'll just do another video for these solutions. But you guys must try, alright? So you guys are gonna do this on your own. So start at number 5. 5x minus 3 bracket x minus 1 is equal to 39. And p minus 1 over 2 minus p minus 2 over 3 is equal to 1. And you're gonna do number 7. 8x minus 2 bracket 3x minus 8 is equal to 24. And I want you guys to do this one also. Number 9. 7 2 bracket 2p plus 1 minus 4 3p plus 2 equals 0. Don't do number 10, alright? If you want, you still can do number 10. Alright, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. So, Bennett, appreciate all of you, alright?